Hi guys, so andito kami sa aming first rest area bago mag-Ohio. Yan, sa Michigan pa rin. So, break lang kami para hindi dire-diretso.
I'm really thankful to the Lord kasi yung weather ngayon is really nice. A few days ago, may snow doon sa Detroit and we prayed na the Lord will make the weather really good and it's sunny. It's still cold but it's not snowy na. So praise God.
So guys, papunta na kami sa... Saan kuya? Where are you going?
To Ohio.
To Ohio. So what are you eating? Trail mix. How about you, Ellie? What are you eating? See you in Ohio.
No, I mean after this one. After here, Mama. After we are done with the rest area, will we go to the zoo?
After this one?
Yeah.
Not yet.
Then where are we going after this?
Another rest area.
Why another and another and another?
Because it's far.
No more rest area.
So after this, we will eat and then you sleep na.
Hi guys. So after 2 hours na drive, nandito na kami ngayon sa Ohio. Mag-stop lang kami saglit para kumain. Then later we have to drive para doon sa pupuntahan namin na Columbus Zoo and Aquarium. Tapos malapit na rin kasi doon yung hotel na tutuluyan namin for today. Oh, they have largest playground.
Ohio campers. Largest playground. So guys, ito yung map ng Ohio. So nandito kami ngayon sa, ayan, Bowling Green. Tapos pupunta kami sa Columbus Zoo. Ayan, dito. What?
It's the old Buick.
Old Buick. Okay.
Tutuloy na kami sa biyahe namin. There's still 2 hours bago kami makarating ng Columbus, Ohio. But we will have to stop pa ng one rest area. Then proceed na kami doon. So hopefully maging smooth yung travel and Sam and Ellie will feel well as well na hindi sila magsuka. Come here. Let's go. Samuel. Let's go. Oh, look here. Come, come, come. Wow. Nice. Our stay. Where are we, Kuya? Here, we're Upper Sandusky. Then we have to go down here in Columbus. Where's that? Come on, look here. Look here. Look here. 1, 2, 3. Ito na yung next stop namin na rest area bago kami bumiyahe ng diretso. More than 1 hour. So, yun. Balik na kauli kami sa sasakyan. Kuya, say see you. Hi guys, malapit na kami sa Columbus Zoo and Aquarium. Dumaan lang kami dito sa gasoline station para magpakarga ng gasolina.
Mama, what are flex fuel vehicles? What are flex fuel vehicles, Mama?
I don't know. Okay.
Hi guys, so nandito na kami sa Chick-fil-A. At ito yung hinahanap namin kasi ito yung mas alam namin na sulit for us na family. So waiting lang ako ng order habang yung mga bata naglalaro dun sa gilid.